Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new build of Windows 11 for Dev channel. It is Wednesday, and Wednesday is usually the time when that happens. So if you are in the Dev channel Insiders, you can now download, as you see here, 22,518, and this is the latest build that is available for Dev channel. So of course we are installing it now, and that means we're going to be checking out what's in here once it's installed, talk about the install, how fast it went or not, and we'll see what is in there for Windows 11. There's usually not a lot to talk about in general, but this time there should be something. Blog post is still not posted as it's pretty new. It's actually arrived only 2 or 3 minutes ago. So I guess the blog post will come in a few minutes with the details of what's inside it. So I have no idea what's new. So we'll be checking it out. One note for those that have the Dev channel build and have problems. There are little things on Dev channel that don't work well. One example here is for the past couple of days I've been stuck with the Intel Corporation display, which is a driver, which is the display driver for this machine, and it's stuck with an error message. So what I'm going to do is going to wait for the build to install and then I'm going to install the probably the best thing to do to fix this is to install the Intel software for the drivers that they actually have. So this is probably going to be a better idea than just trying to reinstall this from the Windows updates. Kind of shows you that things are not always perfect, but Dev channel is that. A lot of people that talk to me about, well, I got 22.518, I got problems, I'm going back to Windows 10. You don't realize what you have. 22.518 or 22, anything that is 22.500 plus in the build is not the standard version. Too many people still think that, oh, I've got a way more advanced version than you. You're on an old build. No, that is a Dev channel build. That is not to be on your main machine. It is not to be installed for most people. This is test software. You're not on Windows 10, 11 latest version. You're on a test version of Windows 11. It's not the same thing. So anyways, build 22.518 is now available, and we'll be checking what's in here. Hopefully lots of stuff to look at in the Dev channel builds for Windows. Of course, my review coming up a little later, so that's going to be what we're going to check out. That review will talk about any new features, anything that's in here, and that will, of course, be a little later today as this is going to install and hopefully go well on the install. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.